Karen Nyamu niatigite andu na murumiriri umwe wake megegeire muno thutha wa ciugo arakorirwo akiaria iguru rigie Edday Nderitu. And this comes after murumiriri uyu gukorwo akira Karen Nyamu candidly ati kindara support Karen Nyamu na Samido Asha. She strongly supports Edday Nderitu ke akoragwo mwaho wa team Edday na niendete muno gukorwo akiona Edday Nderitu agitherema. Moso riu Edday Nderitu arikite guthamira bururi wa USA. Murumiriri uyu agikira Karen Nyamu ati ever since Edday relocated maisha ni makoretwo mamwagirire muno USA, and she also seems to be moving on quite well. Na murumiriri uyu akira Karen Nyamu ati she should see how Edday has moved on, how great she is doing in USA. Na response iria Karen Nyamu arakorirwo agicokeria murumiriri uyu iragitiga andu na the rest of Karen Nyamu's followers na fans megegeire muno, maikiuga matira expectagi ati Karen Nyamu no akorwo akiaria ciugo ta ici iguru rigie Edday Nderitu. Na oho makiuma moi ati Karen Nyamu onake ni supportagi Edday Nderitu na no ende kuona Edday Nderitu agitherema na agiikara wega whether in Kenya kana in USA. Karen Nyamu akionania ati she too prays for Edday's success. Response ya Karen Nyamu irari ino akiuga ati it's my prayer too. Na it was a response to another comment by one of her fans urirakorirwo akimwira ati she prays really hard kuona Edday agitherema. And then Karen Nyamu responded akiuga onake no ende kuona Edday agitherema, that's her prayer too. Ciugo iria iratigire andu mahotetwo muno, oho maikiuga ni magega muno, they were not expecting this at all from Karen Nyamu. Tondu kuringana na uria makionaga social media, it always seems as though the two don't get along. It is something that really caught them by surprise. Na onoginyomo akiuga ati these are the most beautiful words anaigwa Karen Nyamu akiaria iguru rigie Edday Nderitu. Angeline Marai akiuga this is the most beautiful words I have read today. Sometimes we take such issues as a joke, forgetting we are living prints everywhere. Karen agitiga andu magegete muno ni kuga ati ihoya riake ni kuona Edday agitherema, na mafans maikiuga if these are really genuine words from Karen Nyamu to Edday Nderitu, then ni makihoya onao Edday agikorwo agitherema. Agikorwo Karen Nyamu nyara support Edday's success, then who are they not to support Edday's success? Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.